Hi, everybody. Gina here at Tome Wellness and Aesthetics. I wanted to talk to you about the two most common weight loss medications out there. That's Tirzepatide and Semaglutide. They both work by reducing the amount of hunger that you experience throughout the day. And the most common question that I get is, well, how quickly will I lose weight? How much weight will I lose? And once I'm done with the medication, will I keep the weight off? First, everyone's weight loss is a little bit different. Some people can lose 2 to 5 pounds a week. Some people, it takes a month for them to lose that. So everyone's journey is a little bit different. It does control the way you look at food. And so if you're picking the right food choices, if you eat healthy and maintain that style of eating, including increasing your protein intake, making sure you're avoiding the highly processed foods, foods that are packaged, reducing the amount of sugar and dairy and gluten in your diet, you will keep that weight off once you're done. Once you've hit your weight goal and you're done with the medication, you should be able to maintain that weight. I would say 95% of my patients have had a complete weight loss and they've kept it off for several months after. So to find out more about Tirzepatide or Semaglutide, check us out at Tome Wellness and Aesthetics. And like I always say, have a beautiful day.